Rotator cuff external rotation. A really helpful thing here is to put a towel under your arm. That way we know when the arm pulls away from our side. We're looking for a really good range of motion here. If your arm pulls away from your side, that means we're not hitting the correct muscles, so avoid dropping the towel. Whenever the towel drops, just pick it back up, reset, and continue. If you like, you can do both arms together like this. Posture is still really important, and we still need that full range of motion.